Hello guys, welcome back to Cloud Free Run. I see you there. I see you. So feel free to race me. I'm gonna be doing some solves as fast as I can. So let's just get a scramble. See, I have to do this because I know people are just gonna like skip through. You know, it's quite annoying, really. Understandable, but just spamming the moves with closed eyes. I'm like a baby. It's just be very graceful. Okay, here's my scramble. Seems to be nice and scrambled. That's my lamp. And 15-second inspection time starts now. Interesting. Okay. Two, one. Oh, you better have started, because if not, it's a DNF. Oh my god. I forgot to mention, I'm not using a speed cube for this video. Because I broke my speed cube. Fun fact. Done. Wait, that took me... What was it, 40 seconds? Was that 40 seconds solve? I think it was a 40-second solve. So, if you beat me, let me know in the comments. And that'll be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.